This time on building terminology, the collar tie. The collar tie is a horizontal timber or steel member which is placed in a position of tension, and it ties together a pair of rafters. It's usually placed midway between the ridge and the wall plate, which generally means that it's sitting on top of the purlin. So looking at our roof, our collar ties are in here, and if we get rid of a lot of the other members, you can see there are our purlins. Okay, they're sitting halfway up the roof to support our rafters, and tying in our rafters are our collar ties horizontally. Usually they would be placed on every second set of rafters. So there would be a set of rafters in between these, which wouldn't have a collar tie. Collar ties go on every second set of rafters. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can also follow me on Facebook.